Did you know that a reverse mortgage can be used to purchase a home? Realtors should learn about the reverse mortgage. Despite what you may have heard, reverse mortgages are one of the best mortgage products out there for seniors looking to relocate. The reverse mortgage allows qualified homeowners age 62 and older to access a portion of their home equity to eliminate their monthly principal and interest mortgage payment. However, they can also be used to purchase a home. There are minimal credit and income requirements to meet, but the homeowner must intend to occupy the home as their principal residence. If your senior client is resisting the idea of moving simply because they don't want to incur a monthly payment, let us educate them about the reverse for purchase. At Movement, we teach free classes to realtors on the reverse for purchase product on a regular basis. Reach out to us today by emailing reverserequest@movement.com to get the link for the next webinar or to set up a free webinar for your entire office. One of our retirement mortgage professionals will teach you everything you need to know about this awesome product. Don't forget to follow our page. We'll be releasing new videos every week.